To use the proxy shopping feature, so we navigate to the sales channels section and select the proxy shopping menu. So the proxy shopping feature enables you to shop for your customers and then send them a pre-populated shopping cart to enable them to place order. So you have the option to email the shopping cart, or to send the shopping cart via SMS, or to share the link with them on your social media page. So you can share the link with them on your social media accounts on Twitter or Facebook. So for the first option, we'll create and send the shopping cart via email. So to do that, we click here. So the proxy shopping email page, see, it says we email the shopping cart to customers. So here in the send mail section, we can add the products into the shopping cart. So we select the first product, enter the quantity, say 2, select the product options, size. So after we have selected the option, we click on the add product. So the product has been added to the cart. So once we have added the product, we can come here and then add the subject title for the email. We call this your shopping cart. So here we add the email addresses. So we enter the customer email here. Separated by a comma. Add another email address. So after adding all customers' email addresses, choose the currency, choose the language. So to adjust the settings, we click on the settings tab in the settings section. So we can adjust the email template. So this is the email message that the customer will receive. So we can adjust this. Once we've adjusted it, we can click on the save button, but we will not adjust it. So we go back to the send mail section. So once we've selected the store and added all the necessary information, so we've added the first product, so we can go ahead and add another product, add the second product, call it, find the product 2, add the quantity as 4. So click on the add product button. So the second product has been added. So we can adjust the quantity to 1. So you can see the total price for each of the products. So to send this shopping cart to the customer's email, we click on the send email button. So the email has been sent. So we have sent the shopping cart to the customer's email. So to send the shopping cart using the proxy shopping to the customer's phone number via SMS, we navigate to the sales channel section and select proxy shopping. In the proxy shopping page, we select the SMS shopping cart option and click on the Get Started button. So in the Send SMS section, we select the store, we enter the SMS sender name. So the maximum character is 11 characters. So we can say test store. We enter the customer's phone number. So we add the country code. This is the first phone number. Remember, you don't include the plus sign when adding the country code. This is the second phone number. So we select the currency, select the language, then we add the products. Enter the quantity. So we select the product option. So we go ahead and add this product to the shopping cart that has been added. So let's add the second product. Select it, add the quantity. So we add it to the shopping cart. So after we have added all the products we need, so we can go ahead to send this via SMS to the customer's phone. So before we do that, we can also adjust the settings. So here we can enable the module. So we can adjust the SMS message. So here is the SMS message that will be sent. So we are not going to adjust this. Go back to the Send SMS section and then click on the Send SMS button. So the SMS message has been sent successfully. So this is an example on how to use proxy shopping SMS. So to learn more, you click on the Help button. So you can see this is the Help article. To learn more about this, so we close this. So the next is for us to generate a shopping link. So to generate a shopping link to share with your customers, you select the sales channels. Under the sales channels section, you select the proxy shopping menu. So here we choose the third option that says create shopping link. So we click the Get Started. So in the Create Link page, you choose the store, choose the currency, language. So we add the products. So for the first one, add it to the shopping cart. So we add the second product, choose so we choose the quantity, add it to the shopping cart. So once we've added the products, click on the Generate Link button. So you can see the link has been generated. So let us copy this link and open it here. So this will open the shopping cart. You can see the product has been added. So we can adjust the shopping cart. We can delete the products. So once we open the shopping cart, we can go ahead and place the order. So this is an example on how to use the proxy shopping feature. Thank you for watching.